sitting here for like 12 minutes trying to start this video, zhuzhing my hair. And welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cleaning out my bag video. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight's video is going to be a cleaning out my bag video. Let's just jump into it because it's very messy. So here she is. She's still my favorite bag. She's still so amazing. Been so good to me. Okay. I can't say enough good things about this bag. Okay. So we have just been running errands, then coming home. Then I think for like a day and a half, we haven't really gone anywhere. And then tomorrow we're gonna go somewhere, which is why I am cleaning out my bag, because I want it to be organized. And I don't want it to look like this. This is insane. Since it's sticking out, let's coupons. You gotta have some coupons every once in a while. So I have my Sprouts coupon, save $10 when you spend $50, save $15 when you spend $100, and I will be using those tomorrow because that's when it expires. So next, oh, my water bottle. I was not expecting this. Okay. I forgot that I had this in here. I actually found, this is the cutest little water bottle, by the way. It's pretty small, but it's like the perfect amount of water. Like the brand is Mana, I think it is. And it's amazing. This is what it looks like. It's still cold. Okay. I'm gonna lay everything nicely right here. Okay. Next, I have my wallet. I have to go through that too because there's some receipts in there. Some change. I like to take out the change. I also have my sanitizing wipes. Gotta have those right now. Okay, right here, tucked between the purse and the pouch. This pouch has a mask for me and then masks for Luna. And here, if you don't know, Luna is my 5-year-old. A receipt from Fry's. We did do that today, or not today, the other day. A few things. This was in here. This is our list for tomorrow for Sprouts. This was open. Okay, so way too many lipsticks in there, which I don't know where they came from. And then my pen, just roaming around. My spare keys, because the other day I just took my spare keys because I knew that my keys were in my purse, but I didn't want to look for them until I got back. Then when I got back, I scared myself because I was like, oh my God, I don't have the house key. Turns out they were in my purse. This is my everyday life. Okay, so this has my charging stuff in there and my pill case, which I never use, so that's why I put it in there, because I'm like, you can just go in there. Tissues, a mask that I was using earlier, my fluffy pen that I love. This is new. My new fan. I took Luna to Claire's for the first time, maybe it was like Thursday or Wednesday last week, and I found this and I was like, I need this. And I also found a pair of glasses. I found the nose ring that I've been wearing. I found this little cutie. So yeah. And then what do you guys think about my new haircut? I've been a little bit iffy about it, but like I like it, but then I don't, but then I do. Even if I don't like it, what am I gonna do about it? So might as well be happy with it, right? You know? Okay, so that's my new hair. Okay, and my new fan. And on Luna's little keychain, and she got this at Claire's. It's a little lip gloss in Blue Raspberry scent. It smells so good. Cutie. And then I have my little baby YSL. I got this as like my perk point for Sephora. It smells so good, like watermelons. Like all the YSL stuff. And I thought it was so cute because it's so tiny and it fits in my purse perfectly. So I thought that was cute. Gotta have hand sandy. This one has aloe. And then I have this pocket open with all my other junk. I have my key holder in there. I have some Post-its. I don't want to take everything out because this pocket's pretty organized, so I want to keep it that way. Luna's lip balm was in here. Then my Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in Very Victoria. Then I have my Kilian perfume in there. And then my mascara from Lancome. So I have that in the little pouch. And like I said, it's pretty organized, so I want to keep it that way. I'm just going to leave it. Oh, and I have my eyebrow pencil from Sephora collection. I do like to keep that in there too, so I'll just stand that up on the side. And then also my pen, I'm going to stand it up on the side. I like to keep that with me. This goes in there. And this is the part where I just organize everything and make sure everything looks nice and it's put where it's supposed to go. So there's one pouch in there, and then this, I just have extra lipsticks all over the place. So I have a lip gloss, again from Lancome, which I love. I've had it for a while though, and I'm afraid it's gonna go bad, but it's such a good one. Anyway, it plumps and does all that good stuff, but I think it might have been discontinued. So that's sad. I think I'm just gonna toss this in here, honestly. And then I have a Too Faced one, and I put these in here because I'm like, they're so tiny, I'll use them. I never use them, especially when we go out, because I can't touch up because we're wearing masks anyway. And it's like, if I go out, like I went out in this and I wore the mask, and then I look like a crazy person, like a clown. It's all over my mouth and just not good. But this is another really good one from NARS. It's called Damage, and it looks good on everybody. This is like a true sisterhood of the traveling lipstick type of deal. So if you're interested in something like that, it's very sheer, but it's really pretty, and it works on everybody. Okay, I think I'm gonna take have my gum in there. I think Luna's waking up. Tissue. My fan. It's been like hot, but then today it was cold. So I have that fan in there because I was hot the other day, and then today it was freezing. So that's why I'm wearing a sweater. I'm just gonna put these inside the bag also. I always put this one face up because I don't want it to spill out into the bag, even though it ends up on its side. I think I'm gonna put this in here. I just use it. I'll use it like one more time. I'll probably just put it like this. Then I have the water bottle, but I'm gonna keep that out so I can drink the water and then refill it. My wallet, I'm just putting in. And I guess you could totally use one of those organizers with this bag, but I do just like that I can just toss everything in and then use other pouches. I'm gonna put this in there, this in there, just on the side. Those don't need to be in there, and then my prize receipt I'm keeping out. So let me show you like an overview inside the bag of what it looks like. This is what the bag looks like on top, like if I was to look inside of it. Everything is thrown inside, but it's still to where I can like see everything, and it's easy for me to grab. And then I also like that I can just toss everything back in and it falls where it falls. makes it comfy to where I can just do what I need to. I also did talk a little bit about how this bag was like uncomfortable for me to carry around with Luna and all of that because it wasn't like a crossbody bag. But the more that I carry it, the easier it becomes and the more convenient. So I did change out to the Gucci crossbody bag that I have. And I don't know, I wanted to come back to this bag. I really like it. I feel like it goes well with my style, especially right now with my new haircut and everything. I just feel like this bag is the bag for me and I love it so much. Yeah, if you guys have any other questions on this bag or any of my other bags, I would love to share more with you guys. And I just want to say thanks for subscribing. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram because I do like stories on Instagram and I also do funny TikToks and things like that. So if you guys just want to follow me around those platforms also, I would love it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.